Hello again, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Python for Beginners video series. I'm Modular, and in today's lesson, we are diving into essential topics, functions and modular coding in Python. But before we dive into our lessons today, let's recap what we've learned so far. We have learned basics of Python. We've learned about variables and data types. We have learned about conditional statements. We learned about loops. And also we wrote our first Python program. And also we learned about some already built-in functions like print, input. And also we've tried and tested all the knowledge that we've learned on the Python IDE. Today, we are taking your Python knowledge up to the next level. Functions are like mini programs within your program. They allow you to break your code into smaller, reusable parts. Think of them as building blocks to your program. On Python, there are three major parts when talking about functions. The first one is defining the function. This is how you create your own functions in Python. You give them a name and tell Python what they should do. Then the second part of a function is function parameters. These are like inputs for your function. They allow you to pass data into a function. Within the function, you can use those data to do calculations, to do various type of tasks. And the third part on a function is the return statement. Function can also send data back to the main program using a return statement. Here in this example, I have shown you a function to calculate the area of a rectangle. So you can see the definition part of the function, the defining part of the function, which start from the keyword def. Then we give a name to our function called calculate rectangle area. And within the brackets, it takes two function arguments. One is length, one is width. And inside the function, you find area, you calculate area by multiplying the length and width and assigning it to area. And using a return keyword, you return the area back to main program. The below, you see the main program. It has two variables assigned, length equal 5, width equal 3. Then you can see the function call. The result equal the function name that we create, and we pass the length and width variable to the function. And what actually happened is when the function call happen in the main program, it sends those two parameters to our function which we define above, and does the calculation and send the area back to our main program, assigning it to result variable. Then using print statement, you print the area of the rectangle is the results that we got from our function. Now, as we have the basic understanding of a function, we go to our favorite IDE and write the program and see what it does. We'll create a new file for our function example. We call it our first function.py, and we give a comment. We are defining a function to calculate area of an rectangle by providing length and width of a rectangle. Right, we'll write our function now. Def calculate area of rectangle. Within bracket we need length and width. In here we define a variable called area equal length multiplied by width, and we return area to our main program. Now we'll define length equal 5, length equal 8, width equal 5, then result equal, we call our function providing length and width, then we print area of the given rectangle is result. Okay, we have done writing our program. We'll run our program and see it gives the correct answer. Okay, it gives the correct answer. Function can save you time, make your code more organized, and allow you to collaborate with others more efficiently. Congratulations on learning functions and modular coding in Python. In the next lesson, we'll dive into more in data structures like lists, tuples, and data dictionaries, which will help you organize and manage data in your program. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a video like this. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.